Yes, hello, welcome back to another tutorial for DevMicro. And today I'm happily going to take you through DevPay mobile money system, right? Initially, for our clients who have actually using who have been using our payment system, they already have an application for DevPay, and they have been able to actually navigate through uh, checking different transactions for their users. You can actually track which message was returned to the user through your domain name that you have for your mobile hotspot, right? Oh, sorry, your Wi-Fi hotspot, and the voucher being returned to the user as well. So in case someone purchases a voucher and they don't receive it, you can actually get to know which number purchased this voucher and who is responsible for this voucher. Was the payment successful? Was payment pending? So the client didn't verify the PIN. The client cancelled the payment. Was there a network problem and payment did go through? The client did receive a voucher. You can actually get to see all that through the transactions. So our clients who are actually using the payment system, it has been working so fine. But this is the fancy bit about it for DevMicro, because we have implemented all that in DevMicro. So you don't need a mobile app now. Once you're creating your vouchers, you can still at the same time view your transactions. You can actually withdraw money directly. You can actually upload vouchers directly. Previously, with our app, you actually have a voucher bank where you have a series of vouchers for users, and then a user is actually given a random voucher picked according to the package they really do what they really purchase for, right? So we are going to demonstrate all that. So within here, within the DevPay mobile money, you put in your account you registered with us. So to get a DevCraft account, you register with us. We give you a DevCraft account with your respective API we create for you on the server. Then you're able to actually use the mobile money within your system. So here you fill in your details. So try to put in that. Then I also put in the password. And after that, it automatically shrink like a mobile in a mobile view, right? Just like that. So I'll try to decrease it a bit. So this is similar to this, because that means the information on DevMicro is literally the same information you've been always having on the app we gave you in the first place, right? So it synchronizes itself. It's just real time, right? So the transactions you have here are the same transactions you will have here within the app, because this is my phone here. So I'll click on transactions, and that's the balance within the transactions. So this is the mobile view, and this is the DevCraft view as well, right? So you can still view the returned message to the client. You can see so far today 2 people have purchased, something like that. And you can also select which date you want to view. Let's say it was a previous day on 29th. You can actually see that I had 8 transactions on that day, so something like that. Or you can actually have a monthly report for, like, you can actually have an entire view of all transactions. And you can actually also withdraw money from your system directly to your to your to your account, right? So with that, with that, let's see for withdraws as well. Withdraws, we also keep a transaction record when you make the withdrawal. So here I withdrew 40,000. I think that was recently 29th. Yeah, this is 20. Then this is 50. This is 2K. This is 4K, 40K, 12K, 20, 11K, 5K, something like that. So I've so far made 10 transactions since on this server of mine for the Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, so something like that. So just know everything is just implemented. You don't no longer need the app. Okay, maybe you can have the app for mobile view later on, because with the app you don't need to be on the network, isn't it? But with DevMicro you need to be connected to the network, and so that you can actually set the MikroTik and stuff. But when you for the section for mobile money, as long as DevMicro has internet, it will automatically do what? Automatically give you all the records you need. Okay, so I'll go back to home. It automatically pick, as I told you. Then to make it secure, when you go back, you actually be prompted to put in back your details. Okay, so that is with the mobile money view, and I'm going to illustrate how to make a payment, right? So this is my phone right here. So I'll go back to home and I'm connected to a server, and I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to log into my domain. I'm going to log into my domain, then I'm going to go to plans, and I'm going to purchase a plan that I want, right? I'm going to purchase a plan. Let's say I need this one, the first one for the 3 GBs, and I'm giving it at 1K, right? I have that of 3 GBs, I have that of 10 GBs at still 1000 for 5 hours. I have that of 8 GBs for 2 days, those are 48 hours, sorry, that is for 2K. And also have 20 GBs for 5K, right? And I have 40 GBs at 25,000, and that is monthly package, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to purchase this one for 1K for the 3 GBs. Yeah, so we shall see how to create profiles. I think that video is already there in the playlist, you can look through. So I'll click pay here, then I'll be prompted to put in my mobile money number, right? I'll be prompted to put in my mobile money number. So I'll say 07. Then I'll make a payment. Okay, so payment proceeded successfully. Wait for mobile money PIN and verify. So here I'll put in my mobile money PIN, and I confirm payment. For you not to sneak into my mobile money, so I'll just put in I confirm, and I pull back here after confirming. I didn't want to share my PIN with you guys. I know you're thieves. Okay, maybe you're not. So after confirming, we have received a message up here. We have received a message up here that thanks for buying. Thanks for paying Kamtungo Wi-Fi. Token is HY8 blah blah blah. So that is the token we have actually received, and of this date, 31st of January, which is down here at this specific time, right? So that's how to make a payment, right? And when you're done making a payment, or when the user is done making a payment, they receive this return message and also a link. So I can click on this link directly, and I'll be logged on directly on the platform or on the Wi-Fi, right? Or I can still pick my voucher, keep it for maybe later use, and I use my voucher accordingly, right? So we can still go back to our to our mobile money here. to confirm whether the user has actually bought a voucher, we need to see that transaction. So we shall go to transactions, and we have the number there, right? So this is the number, this is the date, and this is the time. Okay, so we have the voucher here, which corresponds to this HY8JBK. So on your end, as the Wi-Fi owner or the hotspot owner, you see the voucher that number is bought, and in case the person didn't receive a message, you can actually return the voucher to him or her, or you can actually view the message that the client received that is having the voucher itself, right? So you can get to know or track which number received which message and when, and was the payment successful or not. So we shall actually go back and see that our money has actually increased now. Okay, and that's how to actually follow up, right? So we shall see how to upload vouchers. We shall see how to create vouchers within the playlist. So keep following, and thanks for watching. And that is it for mobile money. Thanks for watching.